Are you programming in Scratch now?
I'm trying. Just wait that. Papa.
What's that, Trollface?
Yes, I'm gonna make him have a ginormous tumor on his head.
Oh no.
Tumor! It's a tumor.
That's disgusting.
It's a tumor! It's a tumor. Tumor! I also moved his head. Yeah, I can also move his head.
Okay, show me.
You can also move some parts of his head. You can move the mouth, but all of them are individual parts. So be careful on what you're doing, yes? And also you can rewind back. And also you can also make a few lines and stuff like that. You can make straight lines. Just wait. Like this. You can make, yes, basically like also type of drawings, yes, like this with straight lines.
Wait.
And also you can make circles, basically like this. You can also make it wider or longer, also basically a square, like this. You can make it like a rectangle on the side, or just a normal rectangle. And also this, of course, is basically a eraser.
And can you play something?
Play something, yes, you can. But of course, it will take
Okay,
a
show
lot
me.
of time. But I also made this happen.
Wait.
I also made this happen.
Okay, show me now. Wait.
Basically this. I also made the character walk, but also make basically the character shiver between different types of skins.
That's too fast, Max. Slow it down.
Okay.
Yeah?
This way. Where was that here? There's no type of way that actually make it go slow. Wait. Think.